So SolarTaxi app, it will give you the opportunity to sign up. I've already signed up and logged in with my email and password. And so once you logged in, it brings you to the home page. Um, so we have Accra Mall, and then I'll choose Airport View Hotel, and then proceed. So it's 489 cities. You can pay with solar credits, that's converting your money into solar credits and storing it in an account so that you can be using it to request for rides anytime, any point in time. Or you can go with cash. I don't have solar credits, so yeah, insufficient credit. So you click on purchase to purchase, you follow the promptings. I'll go with cash and click on Go Solar. The system is searching for a driver for me, a SolarTaxi near me. So the notification is coming in for the driver. Once the driver is online, he receives the request, and then you swipe to accept the request, and then you start a trip. You click on start trip to start the trip, and the person will be notified. Once the driver can call the person who requested for the ride by clicking on the call icon, the yellow one over there, and then you can end your trip. The driver can end his trip once he is done with it. So when you click on end trip, you have a pop-up notification that you should pay cash of 9 Ghana cedis, and the driver confirms that once the person gives him the money, and that will be all. So that is all about the SolarTaxi Driver app. Then you rate the ride, so you can swipe. If you really like the ride, you swipe to rate it, and then you click on OK, and then you're good to go.